Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Aternos and picking the server you will use. This gets the workspace ready. Once done, verify the server is stopped so changes apply safely, and confirm whether you need Java or Bedrock because that choice affects mods and ports. Make sure to set a modest RAM value now. You can adjust later because proper allocation prevents crashes. You'll see the dashboard. Use it to access files, players, and options next. Next, manage who can join. Go to Players and enable the whitelist or send an invite link to restrict access quickly. For admin-level control, give specific people operator status so they can use console commands. Keep that limited to trusted users to avoid accidental damage. If you need others to edit configs or plugins, grant access to files or share zipped backups instead. Remember why. Limiting access prevents grief, keeps performance stable, and makes troubleshooting simpler. Finally, start the server and test access immediately from a separate account so you see exactly what players experience. If something breaks after a change, restore the most recent backup and reapply edits one at a time to isolate the issue. For stubborn problems, stop the server, clear any cached files and files, then restart. This often fixes permission or plugin glitches. If operators can't run commands, recheck operator list and plug in conflicts before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.